In this video, I'll show you how you can refund any game on Steam. Now keep in mind you can only refund a game if you played it for less than 2 hours and you haven't had it for over 2 weeks. Now with that being said, let's get into it. First you need to go to the Steam button up here and go to settings. Now once you're on your settings, you will have something called account details and you're gonna go in here. Now on account details, you should be able to see a button that says view purchase history. So I'm gonna click on this. And once I'm in here, I can see my games. As you can see, I have bought some different games, and let's say I wanna do the Pal World right here. I'm gonna click on Pal World and it will take me to the page. From here, I can press I would like a refund. And from in here, you can press I'd like to request a refund. So you're gonna press on it, choose the method. You want it to come to your card or you want it in Steam Wallet. Now as you can see, I've played it for 4 hours, so probably I'm not eligible for this refund. But that's basically how you can do it, guys. It's super simple and I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.